me go. I'm on my own, no rolling stone in time, in the zone.
Hey guys, James Riley. So we got 32 panes of glass. This is only one side of the building. This took a little less than 20 minutes doing it with the water-fed pull. That's pretty fast. The rest of the building has French panes, higher windows, things of that nature. We're going to cut our time quite a bit by using water-fed instead of doing this traditionally, which originally took me a bit longer. It took me about 2 hours, 2 guys. So we'll see how this goes.
So fucking blow those words out the back of your head.